I just wanted to jump on really quickly. Christy here from Version of You 2.0. Can you see that behind me? That is my lair. Okay, that is the place that I go when I'm creating juicy content. And for the next 2 Fridays, I will not be going live for trainings. You'll see me pop in and out, but I am going to be spending the next 2 weeks really working on that juicy content for you for the Shrink Your Waistline, Expand Your Mind workshop. It is going to be phenomenal, and in order to ensure that you get the best of me, I need to allocate my time and my resources to that workshop. But do not fear, because I will be back for those 30-minute bite-sized chunk trainings as of November the 19th. Okay, so I'm not gone. I am just in there, in my lair, working on concocting the very best 5-day workshop on women's weight loss strategies that I could ever provide. Again, if you're interested in that weight loss workshop, then you're going to want to register for it. If you go into the group and you look, it is a pinned feature right now. So the very first thing that you'll see when you go into the Weight Loss Strategies for Women's group is the pinned feature where you can go ahead and register for that workshop, because rest assured that although I'm going live, I will be removing those live videos. They are not for everybody. They are for the people who register into my workshop. So I will be removing them, and they will be made available only to those people who have registered for my workshop. You want to be one of those people. Yes, yes you do. Okay, so I'm going to be here for the next 2 weeks, creating all of the content for this amazing workshop. And so I will not see you for 2 weeks' time, but know that I'm here. Know that I'm still going to be avidly posting and participating and engaging, just not focusing my time and resources on creating the live training content just for the next couple weeks. Okay, here's the showing up for you. Have yourself a fantastic rest of the day. Register for my workshop and share it with the world. We're looking for 300 women to participate in this, okay? I want to help all of you get off of that shame and guilt roller coaster ride, or in that hamster wheel where you're putting yourself down because you think that you should be doing something more, you should be doing something differently, or you should be doing something better. And I want to show you in this workshop all the ways in which you are beautiful just as you are, and simple ways that you can tweak what you're already doing so that you're more successful and efficient in your weight loss strategies. Okay, I'm done for real this time. Bye.